If you're searching for a video dashcam solution, it's important to know that there's a product that is the right fit for every company's needs when it comes to operations, risk management, and pricing, as explained by this industry expert who works with various vendors and all sorts of fleets.
The great thing about availability of video dash camera products today is there is a product that is the right fit for every company's needs, be it operational requirements, risk management requirements, or obviously price is always an important consideration. So for smaller companies wanting to make a first generation investment in video, there are single road facing only cameras that are data enabled so that you're pushing the video to the cloud. So you don't have to go out and download off of an SD card, but they're very affordable with the products, less than $200 typically, and in the $15 per month range for a subscription, up to a more sophisticated camera that would be road and driver facing, that had artificial intelligence and ADAS, driver behavior alert capabilities, could be in the $400 to $500 range for product, with monthly subscription fees, still reasonable for the return, somewhere in the mid $20. So that's kind of, the range of what is out there. And it's just really defining what's important for your organization and the types of video data you think would be meaningful.